Alright, how's everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And I got for y'all another unboxing and first impressions of a really sweet product that just came in that I decided to pick up. So tonight what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Dudios Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. And these right here, shout out to another good and up-and-coming YouTuber. Shout out to your girl Joan from Sharp Tech. I just checked out her video on the Dudios wireless earbuds, and after watching that video several times, I felt compelled to pick this up. Now, she is a really great content creator, and she's turning out some quality work over on her channel. So I'll link her channel down below in the video description, and y'all go over there and check her videos out and let her know Eric Drummond sent you. That would be greatly appreciated. But after checking her content, I really felt compelled to pick these up. So let's get into this unboxing and first impressions so we can begin this review process. That being said, a little bit of housekeeping before we get started. This whole video here this evening is being recorded with the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the S7 Active in 720p resolution, and all the audio that's being recorded this evening is being recorded with the Movo MA2010 omnidirectional microphone. So as always, please let me know what you think of the video quality as well as the overall audio quality down below in the comments. And if y'all enjoy this content and you find it helpful, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And if your interest is piqued, all the links to where y'all can pick these earbuds up at a really great price will be available down below in the video description. So as always, interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done, let's get into this. Now, as I always do, I've already cracked all the tapes and seals, so hashtag minimal struggles on this one. That being said, let's first talk about the packaging and overall presentation before we dive into the box. So talking about the packaging here, I gotta say I really like this. The black, green, and white color scheme is a nice mix, and you can see up front here we just got some company branding letting y'all know what the product is. So this is another pair of truly wireless earbuds, and it does support Bluetooth 5.0, so that's really nice. Now, some key features that really caught my attention with these is that they support a 4-hour playtime. All right, in particular, they're supposed to have some really good bass on these with some really good clarity. They also have IPX5 water and sweat resistance, so that's really nice. Okay. And you're supposed to get up to 24 hours on these with the included charging case. So really good stuff. And these do in fact have touch controls, not the function buttons, but the actual touch controls on the earbuds. So I want to see how these compare to something like the Bolt-Tune earbuds that I just wrapped up my video coverage on. So I'm going to see if the touch controls are better than the multi-function button controls, but that's something for another video. And if you guys and gals want to see a comparison between the Dudios and the Bolt-Tunes, please let me know down below in the comments. Your feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. But really good stuff on these. And overall, I have to say the presentation on these are really nice as well. Really nicely laid out. You get to know everything here. You know, you got your little company slogan on the side. So sound with substance. We're going to put that to the test. I'm hoping that it's as good as that slogan suggests, because it's getting me kind of hyped right now. And a little bit of barcode information on the back here. So really clean, really straightforward packaging. That being said, the presentation on these are really nice. So now let's crack into this box and get into the unboxing and first impressions. So cracking the box here. We do have a 30% off on your next purchase card here. Alright. So let me flip this to the back here. Now, they don't have a coupon code, but they have a VIP program, and this is not shareable. So if I do decide to go with Dudios again, contact this VIP program center via their email, and I get 30% off my next purchase. So really nice stuff. Let me throw this off to the side. Then we have a little bit of a quick start guide here. No, this is a warranty card. Okay, so not bad. Company branding on it, really clean. Flipping it open, charging tips, and your barcode scanning information. So if you need to check out some videos, follow them on Twitter, follow them on Facebook, and then the company website right there. Really good stuff. All right, not bad at all. Okay, throw that off to the side there. All right, let's see what else we're working with. So underneath this should be the earbuds themselves. Let's rest this off to the side real quick. Move that foam insert out the way. And let's see what this is. Okay, so this should be your secondary package with your charging cables in it. Let's crack this and find out. All right. So let's see what we're working with here. All right. Okay, yep. So what do we have here? We got our earbud tips. Now I do believe these come with the mediums on, but they get your small, your medium, and your large. So really good stuff there. Now, as I always say, you definitely want to experiment with these and find the right size tips to fit your ears, because that's going to do two things. That will improve the overall comfort level, and that will also improve the overall isolation for best sound quality. So you definitely want to take the time and find the earbuds that will give you the best fit. All right, so really cool to see that they included multiple tip sizes. Who knows, all our ears are different, so it's really nice to see that. And then we have right here, we have a charging cable. So this is micro USB, as y'all can see right there, to USB type A. Now I have a bunch of these, so I probably won't use this. So let's start it off to the side. Really good stuff there. Okay, taking out the other insert. What we got here, user manual, nothing else in the box. Throw the box off to the side. Boom. Okay, yeah. Pretty beefy user manual. Might come in multiple different languages. Let me check this out. Okay, yeah, so it does come in multiple different languages, but we're going to check out the important stuff you need to know before we wrap this video up. So let me put these right here. Let me clean up the space a little bit. All right, and let's bring the earbuds back in. All right, so now, as I said, I already cracked these off camera, so that's why the unboxing experience was so easy. But here is the charging case with a little bit of company branding on it. And I gotta say, I like this case. It's very minimal, it's very sleek, it's very compact and portable. Along this side, we got the micro USB charging port. On the front here, we got the 4 LED light indicators. All right. And side note, a little bit of a pro tip. You definitely want to charge up the case to 100% before you start using these. So what I would recommend you do is you take the earbuds out and then you plug the case in by itself separately. That way the case gets a full charge. Then you drop the earbuds in and let them charge up, and you make sure the earbuds get a full charge. And this is all before first initial use. All right, that's something that the manufacturers always recommend you do. Charge up the earbuds and the case before your first initial use. So really good stuff there. Gotta say I like this. And then on the bottom here, we just have some FCC information. Let me give y'all a nice close-up of that. So charging information and FCC information. All right. So these support 5 volts at 1 amp for the charging. So good stuff there. All right. Not bad at all. See how easy it is to open. All right. So it opens right up, and y'all can see it's branded right and left. Now I like this presentation style here. Let's see how easy it is to take out. So it comes out pretty easily. All right, so not bad. Not a struggle when you're taking these out. And then you see, you close it up. Now if you drop the earbuds in, they start charging and you're good to go. Now another thing I want to point out is when you first get these, now I've been using these for a little bit so far, because you know it wouldn't be a first impressions otherwise. So please forgive the little bit of I tried to clean it off, but you know how these little fuzzies get. All right, but when you first get these, They do come with some protective plastic right here, so they're not going to start charging out of the box. You definitely want to move that protective plastic before you start using these so they charge properly. But you can see, and they are labeled on them. So this is the left earbud, and it does have a label there. And then over on the right earbud, it also has a label right there. It's kind of hard to see. Alright, and when you take them out the box, they pair to each other, and then they're ready to pair to your device. So you can see right there, they've already paired up to each other, and this red and white LED indicator means that the earbuds are in pairing mode. Alright, so that's really cool as well. And what I want to do real quick, before we walk through the user manual, is let me just throw them in my ears real fast. Let me see how they fit and give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. So is this the right earbud? Yes, it is. Drop that in, and let's drop the left earbud in. Alright. Alright, yeah, okay, so they're in, and they are very snug, and I can't even hear myself talk right now, so I hope I'm not talking loud. They do provide a nice tight seal. It's very comfortable in my ears. Let me shake my head real quick, see if they pop out. Nah. So they're definitely not going to pop out. Ooh, I gave myself a little bit of a headache. Yeah, so shake test there. They're definitely not coming out. Got a really nice seal. And let me do one more thing. Let me take a quick selfie so y'all can see how they fit in my ears. So let me see what I got on deck tonight. Okay, got that Google Pixel on deck. Let me flip to the selfie camera real fast, and let's do a little side profile. Alright, and then let's let that process. Always takes a little bit of a second to process on your Pixel. Alright, so it processed up. And there y'all go. So if y'all want to see how the earbuds fit in my ears, just like that. So it looks pretty good. It doesn't stick out too much. And, you know, I'm actually comfortable with this. Not bad at all. So it looks good. It feels good. It provides a nice tight seal in my ears. Good stuff. Alright. So first impressions of the overall fit and feel is pretty good. Wow, I was talking really loud. Oh my goodness. Sorry, y'all. I hope I wasn't screaming into the microphone. But the first impressions on these are really good. Really good indeed. And they're still waiting for me to pair them up. But we're going to do that after this video. Now let's take a quick look through the user manual. And then we'll wrap this up. Okay. So, company branding up top. Nice little picture of the earbuds in the charging case. Get y'all a little close-up of that. So it does come in multiple different languages. Alright. That's cool. Alright, flipping it open. And they do give you an indicator of your touch controls. So, what is that? It's really hard to see behind the camera. So, double tap on your left earbud to bring up the voice assistant. And let's see. Press and hold for 1.5 seconds to pause or play. Okay. For your left earbud. And then on the right, we have similar stuff here. So again, let's see. Double tap on the right for play pause to end or answer phone calls, or press and hold for 1.5 seconds to go to the next track, or decline a phone call. Alright. Double tap to redial, so on and so forth. Okay. And then all the information is right here as well. So let me get y'all a nice close-up of that. Feel free to pause and read this for yourself. Alright, so good stuff there. Alright. Not bad at all. Let's see what else we got going on in here. So, pairing and wearing tips. Alright. We're going to go over this stuff in the full review. Alright, let's see here. What else we got going on? Charging. So the case itself should let you charge the earbuds about 5 to 6 times. Okay. and it should give you about 4 hours on the charge. So let's do the math real quick. 4 hours on the charge. On the low end, you're looking at 4 hours. So 4 times 5, that's 20 hours. On the high end, we're looking at 6 charges. So 4 times 6 is 24 hours. So not bad. Now we're going to put that to the test and see how that holds up. Now y'all know there's a bunch of criteria that go into that as well. The main one being the volume and what you're doing with your earbuds. So if you're taking a lot of phone calls, it's going to be a little bit worse. If you're just listening to music or streaming media, it might be a little bit better, so on and so forth. So there's a lot of criteria that go into that. So we're definitely going to put that to the test, and I'm going to let y'all know how that holds up in the full review. All right. Then over here, we got a barcode scanning thing for your warranty information right there, and charging the case. So you can charge it using a standard USB port on your desktop, laptop, or if you got a power brick that you want to plug it into. So all the different ways you can charge it. All right. Good stuff there. And do they tell you the charging times? Looking at it, don't see it. Okay. All right. They do tell you though, if you're going to have it stored, you definitely want to charge it every 3 months. This way the battery gets cycled, because the worst thing you want to do is kill the battery in the charging case. Then you don't have any way to charge your earbuds. Okay, so that's nice. And let's see, we've switched to the other language. So that pretty much does it for the user manual. Very clean, very straightforward, very nicely laid out. All right, so really good stuff there. All right, y'all. And this pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Dudios truly wireless earbuds. All right. Now, I hope you guys and gals, as I said, enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Yeah, I hope everyone has a good evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Oh, my full review for this should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, so y'all be on the lookout for that. We're also going to do a fit and sound demo, as we always do, so y'all will get a more detailed look into how they fit on my head, and hopefully I can give y'all a nice sound sample as well. This way you get a general idea of how they sound. So y'all be on the lookout for that. As we always do with any Bluetooth products, in particular headphones or earbuds, we give y'all 3 videos. All right. So we do the unboxing and first impressions. We do the fit and sound demo, and then everything culminates in the full review. So that's all the coverage y'all can look forward to moving forward with this product. All right. Hope everyone has a great evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone. We out of here.